Hey everybody, welcome into this tutorial on how to use Ava, your AI video assistant, where you can make different types of AI videos right from inside the Dubb platform. So first off, inside the dashboard here, you're going to select the red camera icon right up here at the top, and then you're going to select all the way to the right the prompt option across the top. Once you select this here, it brings you to the page. Now take advantage of the tooltips on this page because they'll give you the additional information that you do need. And the first thing you're going to see right here is video type. So when you select the drop down, you'll see we have many different types of videos that you can generate here. And when you select one, like I have the first one here, intro hook video, I'm going to hit the play button, and this is an example of what it would be like.
Are you ready to solve your biggest problem right now?
So these different AI video choices down here, these types you can click on, and they'll give you visual examples of each one to kind of lead you in the right direction, see what these look like, and then it can guide you in terms of maybe an idea or what you have creatively in terms of what you want to do. But you have the ability to access these to see what they would look like. Now the middle part here is your video prompt. So check out the tooltip here on that with some suggestions. Be as detailed as you can if you have a specific vision. If you don't, type in something pretty basic and then you're okay. Now before you drop the video prompt in here, if you have your profile setup done, this is really neat over here to the right, this little profile icon. If you select this here, notice it says basic and sales. These are two little ones I had set up. But imagine for a moment I'm in real estate. Right? And I work with buyers and sellers. I would want to have a buyer profile set up and a seller profile set up. So what you would do is you click create profile, if you haven't done this already, and fill out the questions here, answer the questions, choose a preferred tone of communication, and then just save down here at the bottom. And what you're basically doing is, let's say I want to do an introduction AI video to my crowd, and I want to send it to my sellers, because remember I'm in real estate, buyers and sellers. I want to send it to my sellers. I'm going to select the seller crowd, and then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to drop in my prompt so the AI can remember everything about your audience. So I'm going to drop my prompt in here right now. And then you're going to notice down here at the bottom, this is very important here, this message right here, where it says you cannot generate videos of specific faces, including your own, celebrities, or historical figures. So sorry on that one. And then you have the video size choice, tooltip here, landscape or portrait, duration, tooltip here, you have between 4 and 12 seconds. Now, real quickly before I generate, notice that when I'm on the intro hook video, this is at 4 seconds.
One customer is lining up at your door?
And if I drop down to say greeting video, it jumps to 8.
Greetings. Welcome to our business. Our success is your success.
And if I drop down to commercial, it jumps to 12.
Every day begins somewhere, with a choice to keep moving, to build momentum, one step at a time.
So it corresponds with the time that you want when you're doing this. Now, lastly, at the bottom, you're going to click Generate Concepts, and it's going to give me 3 choices once I select this. So I'm going to click it now, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so here are the 3 concepts that came up with. The one at the top is related to my prompt, and then it gives you 2 creative options down here, which is pretty neat. So you can go with your prompt, and it fleshes it out a little more if it doesn't have a lot of detail. And then we have the other 2 prompts down here that are creative choices that the AI has made based on what you said. So just give them read-throughs, see which one you like. I'm going to go with the top one right here. And if you do need to make any changes, you can click the Edit Prompt button right there, and it will take you back to where you want to go and adjust the prompt. I'm going to click Generate Video, and when we do, we're going to get a pop-up that says, would you like to create another video or go back to the dashboard? Now, when your video is ready, you're going to get an email saying your video is ready, and it's going to show up in your video library. The video you're going to get is going to look like this, that, hey, your AI Dubb video is ready. And then your video will also show up right in your video library like this. Now, a great use case for this would be with this AI opener with the shark swimming here is that you can use the AI as an opener. An intro video is one of the types, and then it can lead right into your authentic video. So here we'll notice that there is a little drop down here. It says Rob's preset. These are our preset landing pages, right? I have one selected. So when I open this in a new window right here, you're going to see the video I created right here. And then you're also going to notice on this preset landing page that right after this, I have my personal video ready to go. So imagine using an AI video like this and then having your personal video play right after it like this, right?
Welcome to the live training. The way you communicate with your future and existing clients. Dubb.
So then it goes right into your personal video that you've created. And that's a great use case for this, especially with the AI intro. But again, they all have use cases. Now, for this to work properly, you have to make sure that you have it on your preset landing page. So right here, we see that video. And if we scroll down and we go to details, the details tab here, it's going to remind you what buttons are on your preset landing page right here, what AI assistant is there. And right here is the playlist. So you want to make sure that you have your personal video of you in the playlist, because that's going to play right after this initial intro video that you've created. There's a lot of scenarios, but this one right here is a really good one. Thanks for watching this tutorial about Ava. We'll see you at the next one.